This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the only way to transfer your PayPal funds to an EasyPaisa account. It's important to know that PayPal does not directly support transfers to EasyPaisa in Pakistan. However, there is a reliable method. You can use Zoom, which is a service provided by PayPal, to facilitate these international transfers. Zoom enables you to send money directly to EasyPaisa mobile wallets, making it a convenient and secure option for your transactions. Let's walk through the process. First, visit the Zoom website or open their app and log in using your PayPal account details. Next, you will select Pakistan as the destination country and choose EasyPaisa as the mobile wallet option for your recipient. Carefully enter the recipient's EasyPaisa mobile number and their full name. Before finalizing, always review the transfer amount, any associated fees, and the current exchange rate to ensure accuracy. Then, you can proceed to confirm your transaction. When using Zoom, be aware of the financial aspects. There is typically a transaction fee, which can be around $5 for many transfers. Zoom also applies an exchange rate, and they earn a small amount from the currency conversion. To prevent any delays, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified before initiating a transfer. A great benefit is that funds often arrive very quickly, usually within minutes or on the same business day, depending on the time of transfer. To ensure a smooth and secure transfer, here are some important tips. Always double-check all recipient details, especially the EasyPaisa mobile number, to avoid sending money to the wrong person. While Zoom is a great option, it's wise to occasionally compare exchange rates with other services. Keep a record of your transaction details, including confirmation numbers, for your own reference. Finally, always use secure internet connections and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.